Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world of cloud computing with Microsoft Azure. It's a game changer in the tech world, and whether you're a tech enthusiast, an IT pro, or a business owner, understanding Azure can be incredibly beneficial. So buckle up and let's explore what this awesome technology is all about. Cloud computing is like renting instead of owning your tech infrastructure. Imagine having access to a massive, powerful data center without the hassle of actually managing it. That's cloud computing in a nutshell, and Microsoft Azure is one of the leading platforms out there. Azure offers a wide range of services, from basic computing power to advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning tools. It's like having a giant toolbox full of tech solutions, ready to help you build and manage your applications and workloads more efficiently. Whether you're looking to host a website, develop a mobile app, or analyze massive datasets, Azure has something for you. So let's dive deeper and explore the core concepts of cloud computing and how Azure makes it all possible. Cloud computing is revolutionizing how we use technology. Instead of relying solely on your own physical servers and data centers, you can leverage the power of the cloud. Think of it as a pay-as-you-go model for your IT needs. You only pay for the resources you use, making it a flexible and cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. Microsoft Azure is a leading cloud computing platform. It provides a massive network of data centers and services across the globe. Azure offers a comprehensive suite of tools and services. This includes everything from virtual machines and storage to databases, networking, and artificial intelligence. Azure is designed to be incredibly scalable. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, you can easily adjust your resources as your needs change. This flexibility makes Azure a powerful platform for businesses that experience fluctuating demands or rapid growth. With Azure, you can focus on building and innovating without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. It's like having a team of experts managing your IT, allowing you to concentrate on what you do best. Azure offers a wide range of services to meet diverse business needs. These services are categorized into three main models: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. IaaS provides the fundamental building blocks of IT infrastructure. PaaS offers a complete platform for developing and deploying applications. SaaS delivers software applications over the internet, like Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace. Azure's suite of services empowers businesses to leverage the power of the cloud. Azure understands that not all businesses can move entirely to the cloud overnight. That's why it offers a hybrid cloud approach, allowing you to seamlessly connect your on-premises infrastructure with Azure's cloud services. This flexibility enables you to gradually transition to the cloud at your own pace while leveraging the best of both worlds. Hybrid cloud solutions provide several benefits. You can keep sensitive data on your own servers while leveraging Azure's scalability and cost-effectiveness for other workloads. Azure's hybrid capabilities extend to various services, including networking, storage, and identity management. This ensures a unified and secure experience across your entire IT environment. For instance, you can use Azure ExpressRoute to establish a dedicated and private connection between your on-premises network and Azure data centers. This ensures high bandwidth, low latency, and enhanced security for your critical applications and data. Azure's hybrid flexibility ensures a smooth transition to the cloud. You can gradually migrate applications and workloads at your own pace while maintaining control over your IT environment.